In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate between team-managed and company-managed projects in Jira. This process may initially seem a bit daunting, but once you understand the steps, it becomes straightforward. So let's dive right in and guide you through each stage one by one. To get started, you need to ensure that both your team-managed and company-managed projects are already set up in Jira. It's important to clarify that a team-managed project is generally more flexible, enabling the team to configure it to their specific needs. On the other hand, a company-managed project provides a more standardized setup across various teams within an organization. With both types in place, you open a range of possibilities for organizing your workflow effectively. Now, let's move on to the Jira interface. Locate the search bar at the top of your screen and click on it. Here, you'll want to select the View All Work Items option. This will display a comprehensive list of all the work items you have access to, laying the foundation for the migration process. These work items are essentially your tasks, issues, or any project data that you will decide to move from one project type to another. Once you have your list in front of you, look to the top right portion of your screen where you will find a three dots icon. Click on this icon, which is a gateway to more advanced functionalities. From the options presented, select Bulk Change Work Items. This powerful feature allows you to manage multiple items at once, making the migration smoother and more efficient. With the bulk change setup, it's time to select all the issues or work items you'd like to migrate. You'll do this simply by checking the boxes next to each work item that you need to be moved. This selection step is crucial as it defines what content will be transferred to your new project environment. After selecting your items, click the Next button to proceed further in the process. It's here that you'll choose the bulk action, which in this case should be Move. By specifying this action, you're essentially telling Jira that the work items need to be relocated from their current setting to another. Move ahead by clicking Next once more. Now, this is a decisive moment where you choose the project to which you'd like to migrate your selected items. Depending on your organizational needs, this could be a transition from a team-managed project to a company-managed project or vice versa. If both projects share the same work item type, you are able to manually select this option as well, ensuring that everything aligns correctly upon migration. After making all these selections, click Next. At this stage, you're almost done. The final step is about reviewing the migration details and confirming your action. Click Next and then confirm this move. And just like that, your migration between team-managed and company-managed projects in Jira is complete. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'd have successfully transferred your work items, optimizing your project management process. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful.